How to fix cannot connect to RDS server after server restart or Windows update error. 1. Check then improve your internet connection. 2. Check the status of the RDP protocol on your remote computer. To do so, set 0 to the D-word F then ITS connections at HKey_local_machine \system \current control set \control \terminal server in regedit. 3. Modify registry to unfreeze. RDP connection. Set 1 to the D-word F client disable UDP at computer \HKey_local_machine \software \policies \Microsoft \Windows NT \terminal services \client in regedit. Restart your device. 4. Restart remote desktop services. 5. Roll back Windows upgrade/update.